Is your current couch uncomfortable, outdated, or not fitting how your family lives? Constantly rearranging pillows trying to get comfortable? The large sectional cloud couch with deep seats transforms your living space into the ultimate comfort zone. This modular corduroy sofa bed is where life happens and stress melts away. The U-shaped boneless design molds to your body instead of forcing conformity. Deep seats let you stretch out, curl up, or lounge however feels best. Corduroy fabric balances soft texture with durability for daily family life and pets. Modular design arranges for your space and rearranges when needs change. Need extra sleeping space? This transforms into comfortable beds without pull-out hassles, perfect for apartments, family rooms, or bedrooms doubling as lounging areas. Boneless construction eliminates uncomfortable frame edges, creating cloud-like floating sensation. Available in decor complementing colors. No assembly nightmares. Arrives ready immediately. This is the couch you'll still love 5 years from now. The link is in the description and comments.